Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Rahman. I'm student of grade 9th at Indian School of Hakat. In this video, we are going to continue the question number 2 of exercise 2.5. The question is question number 6. Now the question was, write the following cubes in expanded form. Okay, now we have to write, we have been given some cubes. Okay, similarly, in our previous video we had done the first one. Now in this video we will do the last three. Okay, now the second one is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Right? Now we will rewrite it and we will use this property. Now the property is x cube minus y cube minus 3y into x minus y. Okay, now we will start from x cube. So x is, okay, let's take the value of x as a, okay, and y as b. Okay, now the value of x will be a, so that is 2a cube, then minus, right, so we have to write minus 3b, so minus 3b cube, then we have minus 3 into x, so x is 2a into y is minus 3b. Okay, then we have into, in bracket we will write 2a minus 3b as it is. Okay, now first we will solve the 2a cube. Okay, this is our first step. Now 2a cube is 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 into 2 will be 8. So we can tell that this is 8 and a cube will be as it is, a cube. So this is our second step, a cube. Minus and minus means that will be plus. Then we have 3b cube. Okay, now 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now 3 into 3 into 3 is, 3 into 3 will be 9. 9 into 3 will be 27. So b cube will be as it is, 27 b cube. Then minus, here minus and here also minus, so minus and minus, that will become plus, and plus into plus will be plus itself. Okay, now we are having minus 3 into 2a. Okay, we will write minus, then 3 into 2 is 6, then a, we will write a, then 6 into 3 will be 18, right? Then the minus sign will be changed into positive sign, plus 18a, and the variable over here is b. Then we have 2a minus 3b as it is. Then last step. Okay, now our last step will be, we have to multiply this 18ab into 2a minus 3b. Okay, we will rewrite everything as it is, plus 27b cube. Okay, then we have 18ab into 2a. Okay, now here we are having positive sign, here also we are having positive sign, so that will be positive, right? Then we have 2 into 18. 2 into 18 is 36, right? Then we have minus a, we will write as it is, because here also a and here also a, so both the powers will be added, 1 and 1, that will be 1a squared. Then minus 3b, here plus and here minus, that means minus, right? Then we have 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is 8 3 is 24, 3 1 is 3 plus 4 is 5. So we that will be 54. A will be as it is, and b, here also b, so that will be b squared. Okay, so we can tell that this is our final answer. Okay, now let me erase this and go for the question number 3. Okay, now while erasing, I got to know that here we don't have to take this 3, okay, this minus 3, so we will just take 3b cube. Okay, now minus 3b, So minus 3 cube will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, right? Minus and minus, that will become plus, but plus and minus, that will become negative. So negative 27. Okay, now this sign we have to change, and that will be minus. Like that, here also this 18 will also become negative sign. Okay, here we will not write, we will not include the negative sign. Okay, then here also we will have, in this 36 and 27 also we will have negative sign, minus and minus. Okay, now, and here we will have plus. Okay, so this was the answer for the question number 2. Now let me erase this. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now we are having the question number 3. Now the question number 3 is 3 by 2x plus 1. Okay, now 3 by 2x plus 1. Now for this question, we are going to use the third property. Now let's take x as x itself and 1 as y. Okay, so first we will write x cube. Now the x cube will be 3 by 2x whole cube. Okay, then we will write plus y cube. Now y is equals to 1, so 1 cube. Then plus 3 into x, that is 3 by 2x into 1. Then into x is 3 by 2x plus 1 as it is. Okay, now we have to take the cube of 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 cube is 3 by 2. Okay, so 3 into 3 will be 9 and 9 into 3 will be 27. Okay, this was our first step. Now this will be our second step. So 27 by 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so 27 by 8, x cube will be as it is. Okay, x cube. Then we have plus 1 cube. So 1 cube will be 1 into 1 into 1, right? So that will be 1 itself. Now we are having 3 into 3 by 2. So if we take 3 by 1 and solve that, 3 into 3 will be 9. And 1 into 2 will be 2. Into 1, x will be as it is. Then into 1, 9 by 2 into 1 will be 9 by 2 x itself. Okay, then we have to write 3 by 2x plus 1. Okay, then we have is equals to 27 by 8, we will write as it is, 8x cube plus 1. Okay, here we are having plus. Okay, now plus, now this we have to multiply, right? 9 by 2x into 3 by 2x and 9 by 2x into 1. Okay, now 9 by 2x into 3 by 2. Okay, let's take 9 by 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, now 9 by 3, 9 into 3 is 27. Then 2 into 2 is 4, right? Now we can take it as 22 by 4. Here also we are having x, and here also the powers will be added, that will be x squared. Then 9 by 2. 9 by 2x will be as it is because it is being multiplied with 1. Okay, now we are having one more step. Let me erase the first step. Okay, let me erase this step. If you want to note that, you can pause the video and note it. Okay, now our last step is to rewrite them by rearranging their power. Okay, now the highest power is cube, then squared, then x, right? So here this one should come in last. Now that will be 27 by 8x cube plus 24 by 4, 27 by 4. That is 27 by 4. 27 by 4 x square plus 9 by x, 9 by 2x plus 1. Right, this plus 1 we will write in last. So this was our final answer for the question number 3. Okay, now let me erase this and then we will move to the question number 4. Okay, now let's continue our last question. Now our last question is x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Okay, now here we are having negative sign in the question, right? So this negative sign we will write it in this property. Okay, now first we have to take x cube. Now x cube is x. Okay, now x cube will be x will be as it is, x cube. Then minus 2 by 3 y, 2 by 3 y cube. Then minus 3 into x into 2 by 3 y into x minus 2 by 3 y. Alright, so this was our first step. Okay, now we will do our second step. Now our second step will be x cube. Okay, now x cube is x into x into x. That will be x cube itself. X cube minus and plus, that will be minus. So 2 by 3 cube. Okay, now 2 by 3 cube. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, now 2 by 3, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 by 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 y cube will be as it is. Okay, then we have minus 3. Here we are having minus and here plus and plus. So we can tell that will be minus. Okay, then we have minus 3 into x. So 3 into x will be 3x. But before that we have to multiply that 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, now here we will take the denominator for 3 as 1. 3 into 2 will be 6 by 3. Okay, so that will be 6 by 3. 6 by 3. The variables are x and y. So xy. Okay, then we will have into x minus 2 by 3 y. Okay, now let me erase this first step so that we can have some space to do the last step. Okay, now while doing the last step, what we have to do is multiply this minus 6 by 3 xy. Everything we will write as it is, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube. Then minus x by 6 by 3 xy, this we have to change. Okay, now here we are having minus 6 by 3 x. Okay, now minus 6 by 3 will be as it is. 6 by 3 will be as it is. The powers of x will be added. That will be x squared y. Okay, y is not there. So with x, so we will not take y. Now here we are having minus and here also we are having minus. So that will become plus. Okay, now 6 by 3 into 2 by 3. 6 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, so 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. So 12 by 9. Y, x will be as it is. Y will be y squared. Okay, now this is our final answer. But still we have to check one more thing, that is the rearrangement, right? So rearrangement over here, cube, square, and here also square. So the answer is correct. Now we will meet in our next video, inshallah. Till that, thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, now here in the last answer, here I missed to write 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. Okay, now this is our final answer. Okay, now we will move to the question number 7 in our next video, inshallah. Till that, thanks for watching. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.